find a troll or something? Huh? Move it, Ed! Did I win yet? Help me! Don't let the monster eat me!
I've seen better, Eddie.
Shut up, Ed.